I have prepared a very intuitive online quiz for practicing ser and estar. So let's talk about the difference between these two verbs. Both mean to be, right? But we use ser when we are talking of something more permanent and estar for more impermanent or temporal situations. For example, the position of something or a state, a feeling, a sensation, right? Example, yo estoy con frío, I am cold. Or yo estoy con hambre, I am hungry. These sensations can change in a minute, so we use estar, okay? We can also say yo tengo frío or yo tengo hambre, right? Using the verb tener, but also with the verb estar. We also use estar for talking of the position of something, the placement. For example, the book is on the table. El libro está encima de la mesa. All right? We use estar because the book is here, but in a minute it can be somewhere else, right? Now, we use ser for more permanent things. Like, for example, yo soy Rodrigo. I am Rodrigo, my name. Yo soy hombre. I'm a man. Yo soy abogado. I am a lawyer, right? Esto es un árbol. This is a tree. Es is from the verb ser, permanent, because the tree will keep on being a tree. Okay? So, in essence, that is a difference and how to use ser and estar without confusing them, right? So I invite you to practice this on the online quiz. You will find the link in the description of the video until this issue is clear enough.